Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Years ago, I posted how to make egg rolls. To me, they're easy to make, but for others, they can be a little challenging. This is why I decided to deconstruct this popular Chinese item in this recipe. Easy egg rolls in a bowl. With a gorgeous mix of ingredients, this is a quick dish to enjoy for lunch or as a light meal. Plus, it's not hard to make. So let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add canola oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add green cabbage as well as red cabbage and julienne carrots. We'll quickly saute the ingredients for 2 minutes before adding some low-sodium soy sauce and Chinese brown sugar. If you don't have any, just use regular brown sugar. We'll also saute everything for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, using a slotted spoon, we'll transfer the cabbage mixture to a bowl and set aside for now. In the same skillet, we'll add lean ground pork and cook halfway through, breaking down the meat into small pieces. To this, we'll add the white parts from the green onions, then pressed garlic, some minced ginger, a small amount of Chinese 5-spice, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll stir well and continue cooking until the meat is done. Next, we'll add hoisin sauce. By the way, just a quick note, if you didn't use lean ground pork, more than likely, you'll have to drain the extra fat, okay? Then oyster sauce, which gives a nice umami flavor, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. We'll mix our ingredients very well, making sure the meat is nicely coated, and return the cabbage mixture to the skillet. We'll blend everything and cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes, enough to warm up the veggies. We'll spoon the mixture into warm bowls over cooked rice and garnish with the green parts of the green onions, some chopped cilantro, and toasted sesame seeds. And my friends, these are our easy egg rolls in a bowl. Super tasty and quick to make. This recipe is perfect as a weeknight meal or when time is in short supply. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends. Bon appétit!